Description: cleanse, hydrate, and refresh loose curls as you wash. Benefits: cleanses without stripping or drying. Suggested use: gently massage through wet hair. Rinse with warm water. Follow with your favorite conditioner or co-wash. In 1984, a Lebanese immigrant, Ouidad Wise, opened the first salon in N.Y.C dedicated to curls. As a hairstylist and curly girl, she was passionate about embracing the unique texture of curls and spent years honing specialized cutting and styling techniques like the Carve and Slice, and Rake and Shake, which are still used in salons around the world today. From behind the chair to fashion shows, Ouidad was determined to empower others to let curls be curls. A signature product line was soon to follow. Curl-specific care is still hallmark to everything we do. For over 30 years, we've perfected a customized, professional salon-quality approach to curl care with products specifically formulated for every curl type, from loose curls and waves, to spirals, tight curls and coils. Top reviews from the United States. Finally, something that works. I'm so happy to report this shampoo is amazing. I have tried so many products and nothing helped my dry frizzy curls. There were so many good reviews I thought I'd give it a shot. My hair is soft, hydrated, no frizz and lovely curls. I am just ecstatic because I was about to get an expensive treatment and now I don't need it. Thank you, Ouidad.